What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on MMTLP stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you why this asset dropped from its swing high to swing low for about 70%. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very point, and I've told you that because of this movement to the upside that had quite significant volume, my main assumption was that at the opening hours on the next trading session, we should have the next spike to the upside, should be the last movement to the upside of this asset. And it happened. It went up from this point to its swing high for about 20%. And then, as I already mentioned, it dropped for about 70% in a matter of just 2 sessions. So definitely it was 100% expectable. And in my previous video, I've told you why we have this massive sell-off before the filing date for the spin-off of Next Bridge Hydrocarbon. So, and let's continue with the fundamental news. What was the reason of this spike? Definitely, as I already mentioned in my previous video, we have to keep in mind that T+2 rule is the most important rule in terms of the spin-off, because we have to have 2 days until the deal happens, and if you buy stocks, actual stock will be on your account in a matter of just 2 days. And previously, let me switch to MMAT stock and let me zoom out to daily time frame. Right here at its very highest point, I caught this top, and I've told you that we should go lower from its highest point, and definitely it was right before its previous merger of TRCH, and definitely this was 100% predictable as well. So we have another price action at this very point, and it was the price action for their preferred stocks. And let's continue with another fundamental news that bring a lot of changes in this spin-off. So first of all, let me show you this article. We are on Yahoo Finance. This article was published on December the 8th, and it's titled "Metamaterials announces FINRA has revised corporate action for exchange of Series A preferred." And let me show you this information. Metamaterials, a developer of high-performance functional materials and nanocomposites, today announced that FINRA has revised its notice regarding the corporate action of exchanging Meta's Series A preferred shares for shares of common stock of Next Bridge Hydrocarbons on its daily list. Please see this link, which notes the following regarding the trading of shares of MMTLP on OTC and the distribution of the Next Bridge Hydrocarbons shares. And here is very important information. See daily list of December the 6th. Announcement revised. MMTLP shareholders with settled positions as of December the 12th will receive 1 shares of Next Bridge Hydrocarbons for every 1 share of MMTLP held. Purchases of MMTLP executed after December the 8th will not receive the distribution, will not be quoted X. Symbol MMTLP will be deleted effective on December 13th. So, and this is very important part. Purchases of MMTLP executed after December the 8th will not receive the distribution. And previously, let me show you this information. Shareholders who sell their shares after December the 12th but before December 14th will be required to transfer their shares of Next Bridge to the buyer of MMTLP shares. So, these buyers, according to previous information, was eligible to receive the Next Bridge shares. But right now, all of these buyers will not receive these shares. On top of that, the ticker symbol MMTLP will be deleted on December 13th. And this means, with this price action, we definitely don't have any buyers that might buy this stock, because in this case they will lose their money for 100% and they will not receive the Next Bridge Hydrocarbons shares. This means you shouldn't buy MMTLP stock by any means, because the value of the stocks will be 0 by the end of Monday session. So And let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, definitely right now with this price action, I have to say that it is completely useless to do any technical analysis, because we know that the lifetime of this stock will be finished in a matter of just 2 trading sessions. And this means you cannot rely on this asset as the asset for any of your position. But we have the MMAT common shares right here. And what should we expect from the price action of this stock? Definitely, right here we have several waves, and I have to say that most likely we might have something like this. This might be our first wave, second. These 3 waves might be the third wave, but the structure is not so perfect for the third wave. Then we have this is our bottom of the fourth wave, probably, and probably this is the truncated fifth wave. And if it is the case, definitely we should land somewhere lower. And in order to find the levels where we might land, we have to pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from the bottom to the top. And here are the levels where we might land. As you can see, we already hit the 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level at roughly $1.7 mark. Next one will be 0.5 range at $1.5 mark. And probably the golden pocket range, it is the confluence with this previous swing low, and pretty much the confluence with this previous swing high. And statistically, it is the most probable range of trend reversal. So, if you already done your own due diligence, and if you want to invest in this asset for the long term, definitely you have to be very cautious with your position until this asset hit this range of about $1.26 mark. In this range you will be able to enter your position and to catch at least a bounce, but the long-term perspective is also quite lucrative from this point because of the high probability of the trend reversal. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious. I'ma go cause some pain, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain.